The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Orange County in southeastern Texas until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Beaumont, Port Arthur, Nederland, Groves, Fort Neches, Bridge City, Central Gardens, and Southeast Texas Regional Airport. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.